G'day guys, we're doing a VZ brake pad change out. So once you've got the wheel off, you will go around the back here and you want to get these two bolts here. They are 19 mil. You're only after the two, don't be confused about anything else. You'll need a G clamp, which will help compress the piston back in once it's off. So I pulled them out before, so it's just those two 19 mil bolts there, 19 mil head. You pull the actual caliper off. There's the two old ones. There's a little bit of stuffing around with these, but it's just when you put them in, it's a bit fiddly, I think, sometimes. And there's your piston there. You just want to press that back in so it can press that. So we'll just get this puppy set up and just wind her in until she becomes flat, pretty much back here. Just keep pressing her in. Just resituate that one. Yeah, there. It's a little bit of elbow grease. Some of them are tough. Wind it in. Okay, I reckon that's about it there. Just undo it. Whack the new ones in. Alright, so there's the new ones we've got. The slip one. There's little grooves. I don't know if you can really see it there, but you sort of want to, hard to see, it's hard to get my camera in there. You'll figure it out anyway. You'll just want to line these edges up. They've got grooves in here. Just line them up and make sure that spring is inside the actual caliper. There's a little bit of stuffing around, as I said, but once you've got that in, it's generally fine. It is a quick job once you've done it once before. So there's one there. You just want that back and tight, because sometimes it can be a tight fit to get back in. Make sure you are putting that side in for those that haven't done this before and aren't too techie. Okay, so they're nice and it looks nice, so the actual disc can fit over there. We just slide that back on, like so. Chuck your bolts back in. Make sure they go up pretty tight as well. You don't want that coming loose. I'll